Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on spatial contract. So let's start with question number 1. A finder of lost goods is A. Bailer, B. Bailee, C. True owner, D. Thief. And the answer is B. Bailee. Question number 2. A and B jointly owe rupees 10 lakhs to C. A pays the amount to C and B, not knowing this fact, and pays rupees 10 lakhs over again to C. Your options are: option A, C is bound to repay the amount to B. Option B, C is bound to repay the amount to B and A jointly. Option C is bound to repay the amount to A and B equally. Option D, C is not bound to repay the amount to B. And the correct answer is A. C is bound to repay the amount to B. Question number 3. A quasi contract arises from A. The intention parties, B. Compliance of all legal formalities, C. From a true contract, D. From the principle of natural justice. And the correct answer is D. From the principle of natural justice. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is correct with reference to quasi-contractual obligations? Your options are: A. There is no real contract in existence. B. There is no offer and acceptance. C. There is no intention to make a contract. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, and that is all of the above. Let's move on question number 5. Ordering the relief by way of specific performance of contract is: A. At the discretion of the court. B. Right of a person and the court must give it. C. Provided in the Indian Contract Act. And option D. Both A and B. And the answer is A, and that is at the discretion of the court. Question number 6. In which of the following cases can specific performance be allowed? Option A. Contract to sing a song. Option B. Contract to paint a picture. Option C. Contract to enter into partnership at will. Option D. None of these. And the correct answer is D, and that's none of these. Question number 7. Where the banker wrongfully dishonors a customer's check, the court may award: A. Ordinary damages, B. Special damages, C. Exemplary damages, D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Exemplary damages. Question number 8. A contract to repair B's house and receive payment in advance. A. Repair the house but not according to the contract. Option A. B is entitled to recover from A the additional cost of making the repairs as per the contract. Option B. B is not entitled to recover any cost from A. Option C. B is entitled to recover penalty from A for non-performance of the contract. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. B is entitled to recover from A the additional cost of making the repairs as per the contract. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct? Option A. A quasi-contract is not based on the ground of natural justice. B. Quasi-contracts are based on express intentions of the parties. Option C. Quasi-contract give rise to obligations similar to that of a true contract. Option D. all of the above. And the answer is C. Quasi contract give rise to obligations similar to that of a true contract. Question number 10. A. Who supplies the wife and children of B, a lunatic, with necessaries suitable to their condition in life, is entitled to be reimbursed from option A. B's property, option B. B's personally, option C. B's wife and children, option D. As directed by the code. And the correct answer is A. B's property. Question number 11. A quasi contract is not a dash contract. Option A. Real, B. Valid, C. Real and valid, D. Voidable. And the correct answer is A. Real. Question number 12. A quasi contract is dash law. Your options are A. Entered by, B. Creature of, C. Made by, D. Both A and C. And the answer is B. Creature of. Question number 13. Which of the following is correct? Option A. Claim on quantum merit arises when a contract has become void. B. Claim on quantum merit does not arise when the contract is divisible. Option C. Specific performance order is possible only by a code. Option D. Both liquidated damages and stipulated at the same time of formation of the contract. And the correct answer is B. Claim on quantum merit does not arise when the contract is divisible. Question number 14. A person enjoying the benefits of a lawful, non-gratuitous act of another, option A, is not liable to compensate that another. B, that another cannot claim any compensation. Option C, is liable to compensate for that. Option D, has to perform the same non-gratuitous act in return. And the answer is C, is liable to compensate for that. Question number 15. Obligation of a person enjoying benefit of non-gratuitous act arises in respect of A. Lawful acts only, B. Illegal acts only, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Lawful acts only. Question number 16. Duty to mitigate damages on the part of injured party arises in case of A. Anticipatory breach, B. Actual breach, C. Either A or B, D. Neither A or B. And the correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 17. Pre-estimated amount of compensation payable in case of breach of contract is called A. Penalty, B. Liquidated damages, C. Either A or B, D. Neither A or B. And the correct answer is C. Either A or B. Question number 18. Which of the following is correct? Your options are A. Liquidated damages are pre-estimated probable damages. B. Penalty is imposed by way of punishment for breach of contract. Option C. Courts generally do not award vindictive damages. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 19. The intention for fixing liquidated damages is A. Recovery of damages that might arise due to breach. B. Recover more amount of damages than suffered due to breach. Option C. None of the above. Option D, both of the above. And the correct answer is A, recovery of damages that might arise due to breach. Question number 20. If parties make no attempt to estimate the loss, be it in advance, fix an amount payable on non-performance of the contract, such amount is called A, exemplary damages, B, special damages, C, liquidated damages, D, penalty. And the correct answer is D, penalty. Thank you.